All right, this video is on finding the percent water in a hydrate. So the first thing you want to do is find the molar mass of a hydrate. So we have our hydrate here. This is chromium 2 sulfite tetrahydrate. And so what I like to do is find the molar mass of the ionic compound first. Then I'm going to add in the amount of water because we have this many water molecules trapped inside the formula unit of this chromium 2 sulfite. So in chromium 2 sulfite, I have 1 chromium, I have 1 sulfur, and I have 3 oxygens. From the periodic table, chromium is right around 52 grams per mole, sulfur is 32.07, and oxygen 16. And we're going to add those up together, and I get 132.07 grams per mole. Now, that's just this part, the chromium 2 sulfite. Now, if we deal with the water, in water, I have hydrogen and 2 of them, and 1 oxygen. Hydrogen's 1.01 grams per mole from the periodic table, and oxygen is 16. And if I add that up together, I get 18.02. Now, it's quite handy to have the molar mass of water just memorized. You can always calculate it, but this will just be a time saver. Now, this is just 1 water, and we know that we have 4 in our hydrate here. So to get the molar mass of the whole thing, I'm going to take the mass of the ionic compound, and I'm going to add the mass of 4 waters. And the molar mass of water is 18.02. I like to do it this way, especially as we go into finding the percent water in a hydrate. So if I multiply 4 by 18.02, I'm going to end up with 72.08 grams per mole, and that's what I need to add to this 132.07 grams per mole. And I end up, when I add those together, I get 204.15 grams per mole. So that is the molar mass of the hydrate. Now, I haven't answered the question because we're trying to find the molar mass, the percent water in a hydrate. Right now, we just found the molar mass of this hydrate, including the waters right there. All right, so to find the percent water after we find the molar mass, then what we're going to do is use our percent water or percent composition formula. So to find the percent water, it's going to be the mass of all waters over the mass of the whole hydrate. And then times 100. So I've already got that information here. The mass of all the waters is right here. I had 4 waters, so that is 72.08 grams per mole divided by the mass of the whole hydrate, and that's this number here that includes the waters, and then times 100. And if I get out my calculator, 72.08, and then divided by 204.15 times 100, and I ended up with this being 35.3% water. And that's how you find the percent water in a hydrate. Now, if you would like to try one, let's do this one. So I want you to find the percent water in this hydrate. Silver nitrate pentahydrate. Okay, you can pause this video now and try and calculate it. Okay, so this is how this one would work out. You have silver nitrate and finding the molar mass of that. Then here is finding the molar mass of water. In silver nitrate pentahydrate, you find the molar mass of the ionic compound, and we're going to add to that the mass of 5 waters. And so the molar mass of the whole compound is 260.01. Then to find the percent water, we're going to take the mass of all the waters, so all 5 of them are 90.1, over the mass of the whole thing that includes the waters, times 100. And for this one, I ended up with 34.7%.